Learn how to get started with Azure Image Builder in this episode of Azure Tips and Tricks. In this video, we'll use the Azure Image Builder to create a VM image that we can use to create a VM. This is a great way to create standard VM images. I'll use the Azure Cloud Shell and you can use the Azure CLI on your machine as well. Currently, Azure Image Builder is in preview, which means that we have to run the following commands to register the preview feature. You can skip this when Image Builder is generally available. Also, we need to check if these resource providers are registered. And they seem to be registered, so that's okay. Alright, let's clear this. And next, I'll create some variables for things that we'll use in the next commands. This includes my Azure subscription ID. You can find this in the Azure portal. Next, I'll create a resource group that will contain the VM image. Okay? And now I'll grant the Image Builder service contributor rights to this resource group. We need this so that Image Builder can build the VM image. Alright, let's clear this. And now I'll download an example VM template, which is a JSON file that defines a VM image for, in this example, a Linux-based VM. And I'll apply these parameters to it. Okay, and clear it. Let's check what the template looks like. This is cool, right? Here we can see that the parameters have been applied. The location, for instance, is West US 2. Alright, this looks good. And next, we'll submit the image configuration to the VM Image Builder service. That's done. Now we'll build the image. This can take 15 minutes or so I'll skip to when this is done. Alright, the image is built, so let's create a VM from it. Here we go. This can take a while as well. And that's it. And here is the public IP address of the VM. We need this next. Now I'll shush into the VM like this. And there we go. We are connected to the VM. And as you can see, the VM is built from the Image Builder image. Cool. And let's switch to the Azure portal. Here is the resource group that contains the VM that we've just created. Let's take a look. Yep, here it is. It worked. Azure Image Builder provides a great way to create customized VM images that you can use as a standard to make sure that you can deploy consistent VMs with the same properties and policies. Go and check it out.